Hey guys, my name is Amanda and I'm the creator behind Order in Bliss. I am so excited to partner with iDesign to bring you some of the most innovative products in organization. And today we're going to take a look inside my fridge. I'm going to show you the products I use, how I use them, tips, tricks, anything that you need to know to get your fridge back in order. Let's go. So when I showed you guys a sneak peek into some fridge products, you guys went crazy for these berry bins. And understandably so. They're pretty awesome. So I'm going to show you how I use them in my fridge, but I kind of pulled this one out just to show you. And then this one still has a label on it so you can see. So you can see this is about 6 by 8, which is pretty awesome because it's a little bigger than a typical bin for strawberries, but not too huge that it would take up too much space in your fridge. And then of course it has this removable piece. And this is really great because anytime you can keep water away from your fruit, it is gonna last longer to let it kind of like vent out. But if you don't use your fruit within the 2 to 3 days, don't clean it and cut it and put it in here. Just put your fresh berries that you just brought from the grocery store right in here. And it's just like a nice little replacement for the typical plastic container they come in. But probably the biggest thing is that this prevents the spillage. So if the strawberry bin leaks, it would leak onto your fridge versus if this ended up leaking through, it's gonna leak into the container, which is huge because you don't want any of that in your fridge. So here's the berry bins. Excited to show you how I use them. So one product that I am super excited about is the Home Edit organizers. These come in like 4 different sizes, but when it came to reorganizing my fridge or adding more organization to my fridge, I knew that these tall organizers would be perfect for this. So tall organizer, meet cheese sticks. Cheese sticks are a huge thing in my fridge. The kids love cheese. We always have cheese. We've never had anything to kind of get them to stand up so that we could see them all. They're always like laying flat and getting lost. And so I knew that this was the perfect solution. So another product you guys were super excited about was these produce bins. And I 100% understand why, especially because the label actually had celery on it. And I know that celery is one of those things that so many people end up just throwing out because it gets soft and it's just, you're like, I don't want to eat celery. Nobody wants to eat celery unless it's crispy, and this bin will help you do it. So I did clean these and then put them in here a little bit cut, and that's because we will eat them quick enough. If you don't consume your produce in that 2 to 3 days I keep speaking of, then don't clean them, just put it in here. But like, look at this. It's seriously so crispy. So here's this bin. It's pretty awesome. So who has these in their freezer? Everyone, right? I mean, we got like, what is this? Frozen peas, rice, butternut squash. These bags are usually everywhere in pretty much every freezer I've ever seen. But I have a cool solution. So instead of just throwing these all at the bottom of your freezer and having multiple piles and not being able to see them, wait for it. Ta-da! This bin right here. Now, I don't think I can do this. Oh. Okay, here we go. So this is a freezer bin, and just like its name, I'm using it in my freezer. So what's really cool is there's a divider, and you can choose to use it however you want, but this is the difference between throwing everything in your freezer and putting it all in this bin. Cool, right? So would you rather have all those bags thrown in your freezer or one sweet container to contain them all? I want this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tour of my fridge. I hope you learned a ton, and I hope you feel super confident to take on your own fridge. If you have any questions or you want to know more details about the products I use from iDesign or how I use them, or really just have any questions, or if you want to tell me how awesome it is, I'm good with all that. So thank you for watching. Bye. Celery? I knew the celery was crispy. It's like super crispy. The whole barrel is over. Good thing it's clean.